Alright, so here's the Moog idler arm from O'Reilly's. It's actually pretty nice. Looks like it's already painted, so I don't have to paint it. Basically just put it in. Comes with the new bolt and nut. I'm probably going to go rattle can this real quick with some chassis paint, cotter pin, because I'm sure that's all going to turn to rust pretty shortly. So let me go do that real quick. Alright, gonna go ahead and change this idler arm. Let's see, we got a cotter pin on the top. Gonna try to bend the little legs as straight as possible. Here's the nut and bolt that came with the Moog idler arm. This washer is oblong. I don't know if you can see that, but basically it keeps it tight on the bolt so that it doesn't vibrate loose. I'm not sure I like that design. The original bolt has a hole with a castle nut and castle nut and a cotter pin. I think this is a more surefire, reliable way of holding the idler arm on. So I'm going to use the old nut and bolt, throw a cotter pin through there. I feel safer with it. I mean, this probably shouldn't vibrate off. I'm sure it wouldn't. But who really wants to take a chance with their 68 Charger? I mean, tried and true. We know it works. Maybe it works. I don't know. I'm doing it the old school way. Alright, and then you want to basically tighten this all the way down where these two flat pieces are squishing on the idler arm, and then you can feel it get tight. And then so I backed it off where it's not tight anymore. So that's how tight I want to make it. Throw a cotter pin through there. And I'm going to feel nice and comfortable knowing this will never vibrate out and this will never fall off. So that's that.